Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's WordPress tutorial for beginners video, I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to embed an image into your blog post or article. Very simple and beginner friendly. So I'm live here in my WordPress back office. This is an article I'm currently creating now. So I'm going to scroll down here and add the image into the article. If you see these videos here, I also did a previous video on how to embed either your own YouTube video or a video from another creator. So if you go onto my channel and the playlist I've created, I'm going to do lots of tutorials on WordPress because I get a lot of questions. So this is where I'm at currently with my article. So I'm going to just left click, put the cursor on there, and then I'm going to press enter. So I go down, I get a space, and then when I hover my mouse over here, it says type to choose a block. So all you do, it's really simple and beginner friendly. All you do is this symbol here, this plus symbol, you just left click on there and it gives you 6 options to embed into your article. So we're going to go with image, which is in the top right hand corner here, and you click image. You get 3 options here. You can upload, you can go into your media library, excuse me, or you've got an option to insert from a URL. So I'm going to click on upload because I did download my image already. And I'm going to give you another little tip here. I'm going to go into my recent. This is my files. And what you can do is if you use your keywords within the image, that helps with ranking your blog post higher up in the search engines, or so it gives you it helps for your search engine optimization. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to click on there, and I'm going to click open, and then what that does, that brings the image straight away into my blog post. And it's as simple as that. So very simple, very beginner friendly. You can do this literally in 30 seconds. If you make a mistake or you want to change your image at any time, all you do is hover your mouse over here, left click, and you'll see these 3 dots down the right hand side here. Then you can go options, and you can either remove the image here. There's lots of other options as well you've got. So you can crop it. There's lots of other options here that you've got within the. You can add text over the image, which some people like to do. You can crop it. You can put a clickable link into the image. So maybe you want to redirect to an affiliate offer or to another page or an opt-in page. So the options are endless here within. And all you do is click Save Draft, and then what you've uploaded will be saved. Bottom left-hand corner here, it says saved. And I learned all this within the Wealthy Affiliate platform, which is free to join. So if you're looking to start a blog or a niche website, I recommend you do, because when you've got published content out on the internet, it automates your business within the search engines. So Wealthy Affiliate, can set up a free account. There'll be a link in the description. And this training course here is building your own traffic producing website level 2. This is level 1, getting started. This is level 2, 15 lessons. And Wealthy Affiliate taught me how to set this blog up. So they taught me how to put these, how to embed my YouTube channel here, how to put these images here. They taught me how to use categories. They taught me how to put social media links. All the training is absolutely superb within Wealthy Affiliate. 4 simple steps to creating a profitable website, and 18 years in business, Wealthy Affiliate. So another reason why I joined. And you get all the help and support 23,000 have been helped every day. Just show you inside my members area somewhere over here. So I'm a member here. It's my members area. And if you want any help with Wealthy Affiliate, then I can help you with that as well. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And please share the video on social media. That will help support my channel as well. And if you've enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions today about WordPress or blogs, niche websites, Wealthy Affiliate, anything within this content, then please leave those in the comments below and I'll answer all your questions. And I'll put a link in the description if you want some more information on Wealthy Affiliate on this page here. Lots of information, all these tabs across the top here where you can get more information. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.